Welcome to everyone, dear friends. After the name of the ligands and find out the oxidation state of the central metal, now let us dig into the important definition: complex ion. What are complex ion? These are electrically charged species. These are electrically charged pieces which involve electron donor ligands and electron acceptor central metal. I repeat, what are complex ions? These are the electrically charged pieces which involve electron donor ligands and electron acceptor central metal. Andre ಈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ದೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ an electric charge. That means either a positive or either a negative. Like example, yes, this is a Cu NH3 4 times plus 2. So it means it is a cationic species, the positive charge involving the ligand and central metal. Similarly, Fe CN6 minus 3, this is an anionic complex. This is a negative charged species with ligand and central metal. I come to the definition. These are electrically charged species which involving electron donor ligands and electron acceptor central metal. These are the complex atoms. And we have another example if you want. CO NH3 6 times plus 3. Here, this is a positive charge and ammonia is a ligand, is a cobalt. These are known as complex ion. In this category, we won't use these complex because carbonyl is 0, nickel is 0, net charge is 0. These won't comes under complex ion because the net charge of the complex becomes to be 0. I repeat friends, what are complex ions? These are electrically charged species which involving electron donor ligands and electron acceptor central metal. It's nothing but the whole charge becomes to the positive. Sir, idu kottidare. Sir, hege bantu idu? Very simple. The ammonia is 0, copper obviously plus 2, the net whole charge is plus 2. So cyanide is a minus 6. If you get a minus 6, you can get plus 3. Obviously iron is plus 3. Simple mathematics. 6 ide, minus 3 bandide andre automatically plus 3 sir. So ammonia is a neutral ligand, where plus 3 bandide, obviously cobalt itself is a plus 3. You can easily find out the central metal oxidation state also in a complex ion. This is the major part of our syllabus, is a complex ion. If you know the complex ion and calculate the oxidation state, friends, you can easily express the another type of complex. Yes, already we know the complex based on ligands. ಲಿಗ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ಎಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ವೆರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. Cationic complex. Cationic complex. Very simple. The net whole charge of the complex. The net whole charge of the complex becomes positive. The net whole charge of the complex becomes positive. Those are known as cationic complex. So cationic complex ಗಳು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. CuNH3 4 times this one. Cationic complex. How can you find out cationic complex? Sulfate is minus 2, ammonia is 0, net 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minus 2, obviously it is a plus 2. Sir, anionic pair ಮುಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. The charge becomes to plus 2. So this is the net whole charge, so it is known as cationic complex. Cationic complex andre the net whole charge of the complex becomes to positive is known as your component. Sir, agare idu cationic complex example. Beka innu one example makle CO NH3 6 times this is a Cl3. So Cl is a -1, more ide -3. Ammonia is a 0. Net hole charge 0 agbeku anta helidine. Idu -3 and obviously it is a +3. Closed ionic spheres. What about the charge of coordination sphere? This is the +3. The net charge of the complex becomes to +3. Those are known as the cationic complex. The net hole charge of the complex becomes to positive are known as cationic complex. Similarly, difference is the second one, anionic complex. Sir, what is the meaning of anionic complex? Same definition. The net whole charge of complex, the net whole charge of the complex becomes negative. Net whole charge of the complex becomes negative is known as anionic complex. Example K3FeCl6. Can easy to calculate. Potassium 3 plus 3. Cyanide is -1, 6. There is a -6. Net becomes to 0. Obviously it is a +3. Net becomes to 0. Close ionic sphere. This is a -3. This is anionic complex. Now we consider this K4FeCl6. Can calculate, friends. +4. Cyanide is -6. -6 plus 4 automatically +2. Close here. This is an -4. This is once again your anionic complex. You can easy to find out the type of complex comes under your syllabus. This ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮೂರನೇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, the complex does not having any charge. The complex does not having any charge. ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ NiCO, this is 4 times. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, the charge is 0. Once it's 0, the nickel is 0, whole charge is equals to 0. If you use a simple component of our syllabus is FeCO, obviously it is a 5 times. Carbon is 0, iron 0, the net charge is 0. These are the complex which is comes under cationic, anionic, neutral. Calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ I can find out. Very simple. Coordination sphere ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದು ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೊದಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯನ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದರೆ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆನಿಯಾನಿಕ್. ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಆನಿಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯಾನಿಕ್. ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನಿಯಾನಿಕ್. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ 99% of the complex is only the coordination spheres. Only the coordination spheres, that is your neutral complex. Can easy to practice the type of complex based on the today's part is a charge, either cationic, anionic, neutral. If net charge positive, net charge is negative, there is no charge. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಿಯಾನಿಕ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಆನಿಯಾನಿಕ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೊಮೆನ್ಕ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದರ ರೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ IPS nomenclature. And in the next video we continue the nomenclature part. Thank you so much.